紧张程度堪比考科二。
考科二你这么紧张吗？
其实我的肚子
好啦，开啦。
开了。
可怕在这弄肚子。
没事。刚开始。
我开始了哈。来，3、2、1。Hello everyone, I'm your old friend Rose. Welcome to our live show. Today we finally have the chance to introduce our company for you. So are you looking forward to it?
Hello everyone, I'm your friend Annie. Glad to see you again.
Okay, first let me introduce our company DSS. Our company is located in the beautiful coast city, Rizhao, Shandong Province, joining to Qingdao, Lianyungang, Shanghai, and other ports. The transportation will be very convenient by sea and air. And our company were founded in 2012, and our products are developed more than 2,500 kinds of brake pad moves. And we have established our own DSS brand. And our brake pads are mainly exported to America, South Africa, Australia, Brazil, and some Middle East countries, and so on. So let's to see how to make the brake pad now. Let's go. Firstly, this is our brake pad, raw material, and accessories storage area. Come here and let's have a look. This is the brake accessories. Before the brake pad production, we usually stock there in here. Let's go. And look, this is the brake sensor line. Look, this is the anti-noise shims. This material is woven shims. We also have other materials such as rubber, electrophoretic, or stainless. So now let's go to see how to produce the brake pad. Let's go. First, this is our brake pad motor rear. As I just told before, we have developed about 2,500 kinds of brake pad modes. And come here, let's have a closer look. There's our brake pad modes. For example, this is the brake pad mode D872. When the brake pad mode finishes the hot pressing from the production line, the workers will come to here, change to replace the new model to place the new mode for next production. Okay, let's go next step. Brick backing plate area. Let's go. Okay, now this is our brick backing plate area. Before the production, we prepared the other brick backing plates here. And the brick backing plate material is made with Q235B. Come here. It's made with Q235B materials. And before the production, the brick backing plate needed to be make a simple treated. Let's go. And the back plates needed to be treated, short blasting, and coated with glue. Let's show you this machine. You know the back plate needed to be shorted or coated with glue before production. The effect of shorted is to improve the roughness of the surface of the back plate. After the shorted blasting, we needed the glue the back plate. One side of the back plate needed to be coated with glue and then dried for a while time. Come here, look. You can see this is the finished glue. It's only one side of back plate has glue. Okay. Now let's go to see how to make the production hot press. Let's go. Okay, this is our hot pressing machine. Come here. Before the hot pressing, we mix the briquette raw material in the mixture, and then with the material in, and then put them in this small cup. And now we put the material in the mousse, and we put it. Come here. We put the briquette raw material in the mold. And then we put the backing plate. And finally, we put the plate of the mold. Now the worker starts the pressing machine. After some time, we will get the semi-finished brick pad. Come here. This is the finished, semi-finished brick pad. Okay, I will show you the hot pressing process again. Now, we need to clean the brick pad mold. And now we need to put the brick pad raw material in the brick pad mold. Next, we will put the brick pad back plate. You can see our workers are very busy in the workshop. Now the workers put the brick pad backing plate again. And then he started the hot pressing machine. Now we are waiting the finished hot pressing. After some time, we will get the semi-finished brick pad, as I showed you before. Okay, let's show you again the hot pressing process. The workers put the brick pad raw material in the mold. And they are about to 12. And he now put the brick pad backing plate in the mold again. Then he put the plate of the mold again. He started the hot pressing machine. Now, this machine has finished the hot pressing. We get the semi-finished brick pad. And okay, let's go to next step. After the hot pressing, we usually put the semi-finished brick pad in the oven. This is the oven for heat treatment. We usually put them in the oven for about 8 to 11, 12. We put the semi-finished brick pad in this oven for about 8 to 12 hours. And after the heat treatment, we will this machine in front of us is the grinder. This is the grinder machine. We grade the brick pad friction block, and usually our brick pad is thickness is made with OE standard drawings. But if you have another special request, we will make for you. Yes, now the worker is make grinder the friction block. And next the grinder we will make. This is the machine to make the glue and chamfer. Okay, you can. This semi-finished brick pad is without middle line. We call this slot. This is the slot machine. Then you can see there's a slot in the middle of the brick pad. And the function of the slot is it can reduce the temperature when driving a high temperature requirement. And you can see there's two chamfer both sides of the brick pad. Two chamfer. And the function of the chambers is to shorten running in cycle period, that's the removal, noise, elimination, and heat dissipation. And it's more easy to installation. Okay, let's go to next step. Next, these are our two powder painting lines. Our powder painting color we use is black. It is the most popular color in the market. And if you have some special request, we can change the color into red, blue, yellow, and so on. Okay, let's have a closer look. The machine is worked very, very slow. Yes, we introduce the powder painting, color is black. You can have show you the clear look. We can change the color according to customer needs. Different customers have different needs. Okay, let's go to next step. This is the finished powder painting. You can see this is the black brick pad. And after powder painting, now let's go to say revealing the brick accessories. The brick accessories is such as anti-noise sim, brick screen, and brick sensors, and so on. And let's show you, this is the anti-noise sim. It's made with woven materials. The color we can change into blue, red, green, and so on. You can choose which one is best for your sale market. Okay, now this is machine is we are spraying the brick pad. The spray content is OE numbers, films numbers, WV number, or customer's logo, or another special request. This is brick pad is without anti-noise shins, but you can also with the brick pad shins. It's based on the customer's request. Oh, 这就着了。Now the production line is the brick pad is without anti-noise shins. We can also with the brick pad shim, we can free something on the shim, such as BIMS number, OE number, WV number, or customer's logo. It is based on your special request. Different customers have different needs. If you need some special request, please tell us. We will produce it for you. Okay, let's go. After the spray shims, now the workers is checking the brick pad. And this is the revealing machine. Workers is revealing the brick sensors on the brick pad. This is brick sensors. It's made with Stockroman materials. Okay, let's go. After the revealing accessories, now this is our packing machine. First, you can see we use automatic laminating machine. This is the film. Yes, this is the plastic film. Usually we put 2 pieces or 4 pieces prepared or packing. Yes, we put the 2 pieces. You can choose also 4 pieces or packing brick pad. Use the plastic film packing which can prevent damaging the friction block surface and affect the quality of the brick pads. And about our packing box, uh, usually we use the cartons and pallets. One carton is about 10 boxes, about 10 sets brick pads. Usually we put some levers on the side of the cartons. This is the brick pads and the items numbers. Quantity usually 10 sets in the one carton. And we also write the weight on the carton. Okay, let's go. You can see we have many cartons in the stock now. And I will show you the waiting delivery pallets. Okay. Now we have a good news to share with you. We have a special activities now. If your brick pad order total quantity can reaches 1,000 set brick pads, we can help you design a free colored pallet packing box. Usually one carton put 10 sets brick pads. Okay, let's go. And this is our pallet goods. They are waiting delivery. Usually one pallet about 500 set brick pads. We will put one shipping mark outside in the pallets. The customers will check their goods when the pallet is arrived in their ports. Okay, let's go. Okay, now this is our production line of brick pads. So now, do you understand the brick pad production now? If you have any questions about the brick pad production, please follow us and contact us at any time, and we will reply you as soon as possible. Next, let's go to the lab. This lab is we are make some tests of the brick pads. Okay, let's go. This is our lab in the factory. Okay, let's go. This is the first. This machine is for our chest test. The friction performance of brick pads is usually FF and FG and so on. If you need this test, please contact us at any time. We can send you a chest test for your reference. And you can see this is a simple sample test machine. Oh, now the machine is working now. This machine is similar to loading test. Okay, now the next is a shaker to measure the particle size of the brick pads or friction materials. Shaker. Okay, let's go. This machine is a shear strengthening testing machine. And this is the hardness test machines. This is the mixing area in the lab. Okay, let's go. And this area is our raw material samples. And this is our test. And this is our test report. If you need this test for your reference, please contact us and we will send it to you for reference. Okay, then now let us, they are going to follow Annie. 现在说啊。这么多啊！ And now we will have good news to share with you. If your order amount can reach $1,000 or $2,000 or $50,000, you will get some coupons about $50 and $100 or $120. Are you interested? If yes, please follow us and contact us to place your first order. Okay, we are looking forward to your orders. Now, next, let us follow Annie. She will show you our factory again. Okay, welcome, Annie.
Hello everyone. Let me show you a brief process of production brick pad. This room is our lab. We can see this is our moisture content test machine. And these are our raw material samples. And let's see, this is our harness test machine. And this is edge test machine. This machine for share test. There are various friction material samples displayed there. And this machine is for our sample testing. And this machine is a stimulate loading testing. Let's see the mold area. We developed about 2,800 molds for brick pad. We can see there are very smooth for all kinds of models brick pad. Like this, the shape marked the number. Like this mode, this mode is for D995 model brick pad. This is our raw material area. There have various backing plates. We can see various backing plates ready for the brick pad. Let's close. See the raw backing plate. The backing plate needs a big clean and short blasting. The back plate material is Q235B material. The back plate needs be clean and short blasting, and there is our short blasting machine. machine is working for backing plate short lasting. After short lasting, we need make the back plate with gluing. One side of back plate with gluing after drying and then finished. We can see there is finished with gluing. They are ready for they are ready for um, brick pad. Let's see. The worker put the backing plate on this side after gluing. Uh, the the one side is already with gluing. Let's see the how to let's see the pressing machine. The worker make the small cup material. The material is mixed. The material is weighed on average and ready for put the mold. At first, we need to clean. We need to clean the. We need to clean with water supply. Then we put the material into the brick pad mold. Then put brick backing plate. Then put the plate of mold. And then worker start the machine to pressing. After some time, it will become the semi-finished brick pad. Like this, water simply. And then put the raw material into the mold. And then the worker put the back plate into the mold. And then they will put this plate into there. Let's see the worker operate the other machine. They put the raw material into the mold. And they put the vacuum plate on it. This can directly press it. Let's see the semi-finished. You can see the worker put the semi-finished in the take out, and they will check the appearance. Let's see the semi-finished. It's very hot. It's very hot. The worker put the plate on it and then operate the machine pressing. Let's see this machine. Let's see. This worker put the backing plate on the materials. This materials is have already weighed. This is a weighing machine. This is date of operate with our raw material.鞋带开了。In front of us, the machine is oven machine. After the semi-finished brick pad, we put this into the oven machine. It take about 8 hours to 12 hours. Let's see the grading machine. the worker will put this brake pad to there to make breathing. Um, we use the grading machine to make render the friction block, and usually we make the thickness with standard drawing. If you have a special request, we can also make it. And this is a slot and chamfers machine. Make a slot and chamfers. As this brake pad, this is a slot in the middle of the brake pad. The slot function is this heat dissipation effectively reduce the temperature when driving under high temperature, and the temperature on both is in both sides. The temper function is dust removal, noise elimination, and heat dissipation. And it also is for installation.没事，我要看饱。And this is our powder punching machine. This is our powder punching line. The color is usually black. We can also make the color into red, yellow, green. This customer have different customer have different needs. You can see here, the machine is working. After powder punching, let's see the next step. This is anti-noise shim. We can see it's woven anti-noise shim. We can also use other materials like electrophretic or steel materials. we can print a famous number or OE number or customer's logo or other request on it. We can print it on it. The worker is prepared for the prepare anti-noise sheet. Let's see. This is a printing machine. We can use this machine print OE number or other numbers into the brickpad backplate. This, let's see this machine. This machine is a rewriting machine. It's rewriting the brick pad accessories.
告诉大家这个来的有点慢，我们可以稍微等一下，然后再讲。
Working slowly, we can wait a while time.
The power the powder painting is slow. 是不是换型号了？
没有。
We can wait a while. Let's see the packing. This is automatic laminating machine. We can see the worker put two pieces brick pad in a shrinkage. This is plastic film. Usually we put 2 pieces or 4 pieces brick pad of packing, which can reduce the corrosion of brick pad during transportation to prevent damaging the friction block surface and affecting the quality of the brick pad. 这里有包装就不能拍了。Let's see the powder painting is going on. Just slow. After powder painting, the brick pad going to this line. We can see the worker is prepare the anti-noise shim. let's see the riveting. The worker use the machine to make the brick pad with the accessories. Accessories, the spring. This is the spring. Let's see the painting machine is working. You can see the back seat is was printing the part numbers. Let's see the worker is testing. This is our riveting machine, such as brake sensor, spring anti-noise shim, and so on. It's brake pad accessories. The material is Docra material. In other side, the people make the sensor with the brake pad. This is our packing machine. We use two pieces. We usually make 2 pieces or 4 pieces in a package into a plastic film bag. After packed, there will be shrinkage. The bags will be shrinkage. Let's see the packing. Let's see the cartons. We can see this pallet brick pad carton. This carton, one carton includes 10 size of brick pad. There is the brick pad description, item number, quantity, and gross weight on it.可以再上那边那个车牌那里。Let's see the delivery area. There are various of our customer packaging carton. Let's see this palette. The palette, the outside with a plastic film, and then put a plate on it. It's very safe. We can also put a shipping mark on outside. It's for easy for customer pick up goods on their port. We have activity in August and September. If you order meet 500, 1,000, 3,000, $5,000, you can got 25. Can got $25. This is $25 coupon, 50 coupon, and 100 coupon, $150 coupon. If you can order more than one, if you can order more than 1,000 1,000 size brick pad, we can design your brand box for free. Let's see the accessories area. This is brick pad wear sensor line. You see. And there is a spring. It's Docker material. Document material. Let's see the anti-noise shim. This is anti-noise shim. Very soft had anti-noise shim. This is the woven anti-noise shim. 可找不到放哪。
讲实验室，再讲一遍，交接给他时间。
啊？我刚才
把麦给孙小柔分享。
来拍了我名啊。
Hello everyone, I'm back. I'm Ruth. Okay, let's go. Now there are many new friends to our live show. We will take you to look the hot pressing process of the brick pad production. Let's go. This is our brick pad production line. I will show you the production line again because there are many new friends to our live show. This is our brick pad mold area. When we start the brick pad production, the workers need to come here to find the brick pad molds. For example, this is the brick pad mold D995. Okay, then let's go. Let's take a look. This is the brick pad beams numbers. The workers can easily find the most he wants according to this list. Okay, let's go to the next step, brick backing plate area. Before the brick pad production, we stock. There's many stock of the brick pad backing plate. It's made with the Q235 materials. This material is Q235B. Q235B materials. We make the brick backing plate with the OE standard drawings, and the thickness is about 5 millimeters. Okay. And there is our sorted blasting machine of the briquette backing plate. And the briquette needs to be treated, short blasted, and coated with glue in advance. This is the machine of short blasted. Now the workers is putting the backplate in the machine. The effect of short blasting is to improve the roughness of the surface of backplate. Okay, after short blasting, the brick backing plate needs to be gluing. One side of backplate is coated with glue and then dried for a period of time. Come and have a look. Come here. This is the finished drawing. Okay, now that everything is ready, next let us go to say how to make the hot pressing of briquettes. There are our two hot pressing machine lines. Come here. Before the briquette production, we need to mix the briquette raw material. This is the mix, and then this is the weigh machine. We need to weigh some materials and then put in that small cup. And those are our hot pressing machines. Now our machine is working now. The workers is clean. He wants to weigh the briquette raw material. Usually we weigh the raw material in using this machine. We needed to, before the briquette production, we needed to be weigh the briquette raw material in this machine and then put them in those small cups. Here. Okay, then let's go to say how to hot press. First, we needed to put the brick pad raw material in this brick pad mousse. And then we put the baking plate. And then we put the plate of the mousse and start the machine. After some time, we will get the semi-finished brick pads. This is the semi-finished brick pads. Finish the hot pressing. Okay, then let's go to say the heat treatment. After hot pressing, we put the semi-finished brick pad in this oven for heat treatment. We put the semi-finished brick pad in the oven for about 8 to 12 hours. And after the heat treatment, there's the machine in front of us is the grater machine. We use the grater machine to make grade the friction block, and usually we make the thickness with the OE standard drawings. If you have some special requests, we can also do for you. Now workers start to grade the friction block. We can make the thickness according to your request if you have some special request of the thickness. Okay, the next, let's go to say the groove and the chamber. This is the machine to make the groove of the brick pad. You can see there's a slot in the middle of the brick pad. And the function of the slot is to improve its heat dissipation, which can effectively reduce the temperature when driving high temperature environments. There are also two chambers on the both sides of brick pad. And you can see there are two chambers on the both sides of brick pad. The function of chambers is shortening running cycle period, dust removal, noise elimination, and heat dissipation. and it's more easily for installation. Okay, let's go to the next step. This is our tool powder painting line. The powder painting color usually we make it black color, and we can also change the color, change to red, yellow, blue, and so on. It's based on your request. If you have some special request, please tell us in advance. The machine is works very slowly. And after the powder painting, let's review the brick accessories. And the brick accessories such as anti-nut shims. This is made with woven materials. We can also change the color of the shims, such as red, blue. We can also spray something on the shims, such as OE numbers, famous numbers, WV numbers, or customers' logos. Different customers have different needs. Okay. You can see the workers. There's the antenna shims with white glue paper. Okay, let's go. As I just told you just now, we can spray something on the back plates. We can spray brick pad numbers or in numbers. This brick pad is without anti-nudge shims. Okay, so next go to next step. After packing, the workers they need to be checked the fixture block. And this is the riveting machine. Now worker is busy for writing something on the order list. Now these briquettes are waiting for packing with plastic film. It's very hot. And you can see this is the packing machine. This is the plastic film. Usually we put 2 pieces or 4 pieces of packing. We put 2 pieces of the brick pad for packing now. And about our packing box, usually we have neutral white box or color box with our DSS brand. Usually we put
优惠1000套免费设计。
usually we put one set in one box and 10 boxes or brick pad in this one carton. We can write the items numbers or brick pad on the cartons and the quantity 10 sets and floor switch. And we have a special activities now. If your brick pad order total quantity can reach 1,000 sets brick pads, we can design free packing box with your own brand. So if you are interested in this special discount, please contact us and we will waiting for your order list. Okay, let's go. You can see we have many cartons stock at this rear. Usually, 500 nice brick pads as one pallet. This is the pallets. Usually there's about 500 cents brick pad as one pallet. We can put one shipping mark put outside the pallet. Then customers can easily find their goods when the goods is arrived in their port. And before delivery, we can also send you the detailed packing list for checking the goods. Okay, now then there's our whole brick pad production line. Now, do you know the brick pad production line for you? If you have any questions, please contact us and we will reply you as soon as possible. And then next, let's go to our lab for block. We usually use the lab to do some brick pad tests, like a chest tester. Let's show you, have a look. Let's go. And this is our brick pad material and brick accessories area. Before the production, they need to be prepared in advance. As you can see, this is our brick accessories. It's made with decorative materials. And then this is the anti-noise. This is the brick sensor line. It's made with the OE standard size. And this is the anti-noise shims. It's made with woven shims. We just show you on the production line. Okay, let's go to the lab. And this is our lab. This machine is to do friction performance test. We can get the test report. We can get the test report. If you need them for reference, please contact us. We can send it to you as soon as possible for reference. First, remember to follow us, and then we can send you it. And this is the simple test machine. And this is the shaker to measure the multiple size of the friction material. And this machine is to shear strength testing machine. And this machine is to do hardness testing. And those material is our brick pads friction material samples. And this machine is to do moisture content test. Okay, these are our lab.
Okay, we have a discount in August and September. There are our coupons. If you order meet $500, $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, you can get these coupons. There have 25 coupons and $50 coupon and $100 coupon and $150 coupons.
Yes. And we also have the second discount. If your order total quantity can reach 1,000 sets brick pads, we can help you design the free color boxes with your own brand. Okay, everyone. Today, happy time is really short. If you want to know more about the knowledge of our brick pads, please follow us, and then we will have the next live show in next month. Please follow us, and see you next time. Bye bye.